Hello kid. Well, today I am going to tell you about Ria. Well, over here we see Ria has recently shifted to Bangalore and today is her first day at school. Oh, what's this? She was supposed to go to the junior section, but she has come in the senior section. So she is very confused. So now Ria went to her friend. She told Disha that she is very confused. So now let's see how her friend helped her. So this is how her friend Disha drew a map to help out Ria. So now according to the map, if you see, if Ria faces the classroom, then on her right hand side will be the computer room and on the left hand side will be the library. Now let me show you, if I am in Ria's place and facing the classroom, on my right hand side will be the computer lab and on the left hand side will be the library. Even Ria saw over here that when she is facing towards the classroom, then in the forward direction we have the boys' washroom and in the backward direction we have the girls' washroom. See, if I am facing Ria's classroom, in the forward direction I have boys' washroom and in the backward direction I have the girls' washroom. So now Ria knew 4 directions: right, left, forward and backward. Now there are 2 more directions that Ria came to know. Well, one was up. See, the art and craft room is in the upward direction from her classroom. And another one was down. If you see the sports equipment room, it is in the downward direction. Now, when Ria came out of the classroom, at that time as well, Ria saw that the directions changed. See, if Ria is standing over here, facing outside from the classroom, then towards her right will be the library. Towards her left will be the computer lab. In the forward direction is the girls' washroom and in the backward direction is the boys' washroom. So imagine if I am at Ria's place. So I am facing outside the classroom. So towards my right I have the library. Towards my left I have the computer lab. In the forward direction I have the girls' washroom and in my backward direction I have the boys' washroom. So now you saw that all of these directions, that is right, left, forward and backward, actually change with the change of the position. So as Ria changed her position, like sitting in the class or coming outside of the class, all of these directions also changed. So then she thought of going to her teacher and then her teacher helped Ria and Disha to understand the proper direction. So here the teacher said that right, left, forward and backward are the directions which are subjected to change with the change of the position. So let us find out the different things using those directions which remain fixed and they do not change with the change of position. The teacher said that the direction from which the sun rises is known as east and this is a fixed direction. The sun always rises in the east. Now just opposite to the east we have the west and the sun sets in this direction, that is west. So now we have got 2 fixed directions. Which are they? Well, the sun rises from the east and just opposite to east we have got the direction at which the sun sets, that is west. So now I have the east and the west direction and towards upward, we have got another direction called north. And just opposite to north, in the downward direction, we have the south. So what are the four directions? East, west, north and south. So now when you are standing facing the sun, then your face points towards the east and your back points towards the west. Your right hand points towards south and your left hand points towards north. So, in this way, you can understand the four directions: east, west, north and south, which remain fixed. Now, what if you have a direction over here, which is in between north and east? So, what will you call this direction? Is it north or is it east? Well, it is none of these. So, what is this? Well, this direction will be known as northeast because it is in between north and east. Now, similarly, we also have the direction which is in between north and west. So, what is this known as? This is known as northwest. Now, when we have a direction in between south and west, we call it southwest. And the last direction which is in between two, that is south and east, is known as southeast. So, which are the four new directions that we learnt? Well, we have got northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. So, we see here that all of these directions either start with north or south. We don't call them west north or west south, right? So, first comes north or south and then east or west. So, now during the day we can find out the different directions looking at the sun. But what if it is in the evening? Well, for that we can use a device known as compass. Compass helps us in getting the different directions in the evening like north, south, northeast, northwest, etc. So, I have a question for you. The device which helps us to find directions is called? Well, the answer is compass. So, the compass helps us in finding different directions. Nowadays, we can also find the compass as an application in our mobile phones. So, if we want to find the direction, then we can open the app and this will help us in finding the direction. So, now Riya was very happy. She knew all the four directions, that is north, south, east and west, which are known as the cardinal directions, and their teacher helped them to draw the map using the cardinal directions. So, now if you want to find out something, you can easily do it from this map. Like if you are in Riya's classroom, then which way will be the girls' washroom? Well, it will be towards south. If you want to go to computer lab, which way will you go? You will go towards north. Now, what about the kindergarten section? You can easily reach there by going to the east. And if you want to go to the boys' washroom, you can go to the west. So, these directions were fixed, and with the help of these, Riya could go to any place she wanted now in her school. Now, she liked it so much that she even drew a map of her neighborhood using all the four cardinal directions. So, now if this is Riya's house, which way will be her school? Well, if you see, Ria's school is over here. So, which way she has to go? Well, this will be towards north and this is towards east. So, her school will be towards northeast. So now Ria could easily locate all the different things around her house and in school using the 4 cardinal directions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.